Hello everyone, you're watching the Savera and I'm Pavit Kaur. The Punjab state is witnessing the worst floods in the last 4 decades. Today, the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, will be visiting Punjab apart from visiting Himachal Pradesh, where he will be doing an aerial visit. Right now, I'm present in Gurdaspur, where Narendra Modi will be reaching around 4 o'clock. Here in the visuals, you can see that the security has been tightened up, where Narendra Modi today, where he said that the government stands shoulder to shoulder with affected people as he begins his visit to Himachal Pradesh and Punjab to take the stock of the flood situation. Mr. Modi will be on a day-long visit to Himachal Pradesh, and after that he will be visiting Punjab to take the stock of the situation, of the flood situation. After visiting Himachal Pradesh, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will conduct an aerial survey for the flood-affected areas in Punjab. He will visit Gurdaspur and hold the discussions with the senior officials out there. The security has been tightened up because here the Prime Minister Narendra Modi will chair a review meeting on the ground situation. He will also interact with flood-affected persons as well as NDRF, SDRF and Abda Mitra team in Gurdaspur. Here we are well aware that Narendra Modi today he posted on his X account, he wrote that the government of India stands shoulder to shoulder with those affected in the tragic hour. The Prime Minister was deeply concerned about the flood situation in Punjab and has been closely monitoring it. It was said by the Punjab BJP chief Sunil Jakhar on Sunday. Tight security arrangements have been made in Gurdaspur in the wake of the Prime Minister's visit. We are well aware that the Punjab is currently facing one of its worst flood disaster in decades. Right now you can see that the anti-riot force, the Punjab police, all the teams are on high alert because this will be Prime Minister's visit after a long period of time where he will take the situation, the stock of the situation of Punjab, because Gurdaspur has been one of the districts which was worst affected where the devastation of the floods took place. So the government is yet to announce any compensation. The central government is yet to announce the flood relief. But what all will be there, what all announcements will be made by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is yet to be seen. Whereas on the other hand, the state government has started giving compensations. But right now, we have to see what all comes in the kitty of Punjab once the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is over. With Suman, this is Pavit Kaur for the Savera from Gurdaspur.